Hello, dear viewers. Today we are going on a fascinating journey deep into the universe, and we will search for traces of extraterrestrial life. As science and technology advance, astronomers hope to one day find other forms of life in the universe. Today, we will examine the evidence for the existence of extraterrestrial life and discuss topics such as the Fermi Paradox. If you're ready, let's get started. As humans, we all have this question on our minds. Are we alone in the universe? This question has fascinated scientists and enthusiasts for decades. In 1970, the first messages to extraterrestrial intelligent life forms were sent into space, and since then the search has continued, using ever more advanced technologies. However, we still have not received an answer. Nevertheless, many people believe that there is life in the universe beyond Earth. The testimonies of people who have encountered extraterrestrials are numerous and often considered unrealistic. However, some testimonies remain unexplained and continue to intrigue us. For example, on July 24, 1981, about 10 million people in China reported seeing a spiral-shaped light in the sky. Attempts have been made to explain this phenomenon with the meteorite hypothesis and spy plane theories, but none have been satisfactory. A similar phenomenon was observed in Norway in 2009 and was explained by Russia as a military experiment gone wrong. The observable universe contains about 200 trillion stars. This means there are more stars than there are grains of sand on Earth. If we turn each star into a grain of sand, there will be enough stars to cover the Earth's surface 10 centimeters thick. The size of the entire universe could contain a volume of space 15 million times larger than the observable universe. It's hard to imagine the universe being devoid of life in such a vast space. However, for the moment, Earth is the only planet where life is known to exist. Finding traces of extraterrestrial life in the universe is one of the missions of the James Webb Telescope, which studies the atmospheres of exoplanets. Exoplanets are planets orbiting stars other than our Sun. The first exoplanet was discovered in 1995, and since then more than 5,000 exoplanets have been discovered. The James Webb Telescope is placed in orbit around the Sun 1.5 million kilometers from Earth, and its chances of finding life beyond our planet are quite high. In 1961, American astronomer Frank Drake created the Drake equation. This equation aims to quantify the number of potential intelligent civilizations beyond our own. According to the Drake equation, the number of extraterrestrial intelligent civilizations should be high. However, we have yet to encounter such a civilization. This is known as the Fermi Paradox. The Fermi Paradox is based on a series of questions posed by Italian physicist Enrico Fermi in 1950. Why has humanity found no evidence of extraterrestrial civilizations when the Sun is far from being the oldest star in our galaxy? Scientists believe that it is more likely to find traces of intelligent extraterrestrial civilizations through technological evidence than biological evidence. Technological traces, such as long-range electromagnetic signals, last longer than biological traces, such as traces of methane or water, which are essential for the development of life. Therefore, astronomers believe they can find technological traces left by ancient civilizations. In 2017, Oumuamua, the first object observed in our solar system and thought to have come from elsewhere, aroused great interest in the scientific community. This strange object was detected by the Heliacope Observatory Telescope in Hawaii. Oumuamua was traveling relatively close to Earth, and some astronomers said it was a comet, while others thought it was an asteroid. However, Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb has suggested that Oumuamua is the first sign of extraterrestrial intelligent life. Oumuamua's strange properties have led scientists to investigate theories such as solar sails. Solar sails make it possible to move through space by providing thrust due to pressure exerted by sunlight on a sail. Such a propulsion system could be ideal for low-cost and long-lasting space travel. However, Oumuamua's behavior remains a mystery because it does not match that of an ordinary comet or asteroid. Of all the planets in our solar system, Venus and Mars have attracted the most attention in the search for extraterrestrial life. Venus is known for its hellish temperatures and clouds of sulfuric acid. However, the detection of a gas called phosphine in Venus' atmosphere has raised the possibility of microbial life there. Mars, on the other hand, is full of evidence of liquid water in the past, which means that the red planet may have once harbored life. Among Jupiter's moons, Europa and Enceladus are important candidates in the search for life. Europa may harbor a large saltwater ocean beneath its surface, providing a favorable environment for life. Enceladus is notable for its geysers, which contain water vapor and organic compounds. Scientists believe that life could exist beneath the surface of these moons. Titan, Saturn's largest moon, is notable for its dense atmosphere and lakes of liquid methane. Titan's atmosphere is similar to the Earth's atmosphere, and therefore Titan is a potential candidate for extraterrestrial life. In addition, the methane lakes on Titan's surface offer an environment where life can exist in a different form. The Fermi Paradox attempts to explain why life in the universe seems so rare. There are many possible answers to the question of why technologically advanced civilizations have not yet communicated with us or left traces. Perhaps these civilizations have self-destructed, or they are too far away from us and our technology is not yet advanced enough to detect them. In conclusion, the question of whether we are alone in the universe remains unanswered. However, scientists are not giving up the search for traces of extraterrestrial life. The vastness and mysteries of the universe mean that there is much to discover. One day, it may be possible to encounter other intelligent life forms in the universe. But until then, the search will continue.